Hey everyone! I'm super excited to introduce Locofy MCP and show you how it works in this video. Locofy MCP, or Model Context Protocol, lets you pull, refine, and extend Locofy-generated front-end code in Windsurf by simply using prompt. You can clean up code, handle API integrations and state variables, improve accessibility, and add custom scripts and more, making your workflow faster and more efficient with Locofy MCP. To get started, convert your well-optimized Figma designs to code using Locofy. For that, let's launch the Locofy plugin and select the designs we want to convert and click on Convert to Code. Locofy is all done with converting my design into code. You can see the generated React code at the bottom panel and also the live preview that has been rendered from the code. Now, let's sync this code to Locofy Builder. Click on Project Settings. Next, click on the MCP tab, and from there, choose an expiry option and click on the Generate button to generate the MCP configuration file. I will select Windsurf as my IDE and copy the file. Now, let's set it up in Windsurf. Go to Windsurf Settings and click on Cascade tab. Click on Add Server. Next, click on Add Custom Server and paste the config file. Now, let's close the tab and hit refresh. Once enabled, you can use prompts to pull code from Locofy. Locofy MCP gives you two functions to pull code. One fetches the component and its dependencies, and the other just grabs specific files. Let's use it to pull the homepage from my Locofy project and merge it into this existing code base. For this, I will simply open chat and type use Locofy to pull the latest homepage.txs. Now, the Locofy MCP will automatically fetch the latest code and integrate it into my project seamlessly. You can also refine and extend the Locofy-generated code as per your requirements. For example, Locofy has generated this page for me, but the image carousel isn't functional yet. With just a few prompts, I can extend the code and make it fully interactive. I will accept the changes that were made to my component, and let's review the page now. And just like that, the carousel is fully functional and I can scroll through images and click to expand them. There's a lot we can do here, like improving accessibility and adding internalization support, such as language switching between English and Korean. For this, I'll prompt in chat to make my page accessible and also add support for Korean language. I will accept the changes that is being suggested, and let's check out the result. As you can see, the page is now more accessible with improved keyboard navigation, better screen reader support, and more. Plus, we've added a toggle to switch between English and Korean. And that's Locofy MCP. This feature is already live, and you will find a link to our docs in the description with more samples prompts to try out. So give it a go and let us know what you think.